think supply chain is important because it encompasses basically a lot of things within the health system. So making sure that we have the right medications and they're not expired and that we have enough of them really helps out patients. Making sure that we have them can save their lives.
So I love supply chains because sometimes in development it's difficult to quantify development. Are we improving? Are we retrograding? Sometimes it's difficult, especially in reporting, to say where we at or how our work is advancing. But with supply chain management, we can actually quantify how many commodities or medicines are getting into the hands of the clients. So when you're able to improve a supply chain management system, you're able to look at that numerically as opposed to just qualitatively.
I'm in my third year of Peace Corps, and with USAID I focus exclusively on supply chain, and it's really exciting for me to see volunteers come into these trainings being exposed to the subject matter for the first time and leaving the trainings and immediately having an impact in their communities and in their health facilities. We see tangible results and measurable impact and enthusiastic volunteers taking charge of these materials.
Well, this training was a really great opportunity because I got to bring my counterpart and we got to go through all the exercises together and kind of talk about it. And I'm really hopeful that after this we can take what we've learned and train everybody else at the clinic.
If people could go through the same training, people are going to learn how to manage health commodities stocks better, to optimize the minimal resources that are available, and at the same time minimize wastages.
And what is it like working with Americans?
It's superb. It's awesome. They are very loving people, very good sense of humor, and very energetic.